Okay, so gagamitin pa rin natin yung old mic kasi syempre, para marinig nyo ako, gawa na may tumutugtog sa background. So this is the new mic! This is so cute. And I bought a white. Tapos, meron na rin siyang dalawang receiver. Parang katulad nito, meron siyang dalawang receiver and sender. Ewan ko, nakalimutan ko ng tawag. Pero basta meron siyang dalawang pwedeng i-connect sa either Type-C or sa Lightning. Let's try. Let's open this one. So, this is how it looks like. Buksan na natin. Sana secret. Tada! Ah! Okay. May nahulog. Let's check what's inside. So, first, the USB to Type-C charger. The quick start up, guys. The warranty policy. But meron siyang own case. And this is, so meron na siya Type-C. Yung binili ko kasi is yung meron din 2 receiver. So, buksan na natin. Ah, yeah, there you go. So, mukha siyang AirPods. So, this is how it looks like. Ang cute niya. So, yung charging nitong, so basically ito yan o. Meron na siyang dalawa. Pero usually, ginagamit ko naman is the Type-C. So, yan, ito na siya. Ano? Ang cute yan. Liit ba? Ang cute. So, very tsura niya. Look. Ayun o. Ang liit lang niya. Tada! Parang siyang parang, what do you call this? Basta yun. So, tatry na natin kung paano siya gumagana. So, I think it's just the same as the old one. So, sasalpak lang and then, gano'n. Ah, okay. So, yung nandito sa Gedli, ayan o, meron siyang NR. So, noise reduction pala siya. And ayan, before you use it, para mag-charge siya automatically, turn that off. It's also a charging dock. Parang yung old one din. This one is also a charging dock. So, makikita nyo dito kung gano'n pa karami yung battery. Fill na natin yung kanyang puwet. Okay, charging. The only thing that I don't like here is wala siyang percentage. So, hindi ko makikita kung gano'n pa karami yung battery ng charging dock or nung mic. Unlike this one, malalaman mo gano'n pa kadami. So, yun lang yung hindi ko masyadong bet. Preference ko na lang siguro. I-try na natin. Okay, so tatanggalin ko yung receiver ng old mic. Ayan, so maingay na ulit. May tumutugtog sa background. Right, left. And this one will use the Boya.
Ayan, so it already stopped blinking. So let's try the noise reduction. So I don't know, hindi ko pa nakita yung video pero malalaman natin after I played it back.